Hi friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is club time. What does club time mean? It means we are releasing our brand new stamp and die hard set this month. But you know what? Little secret, we are also releasing our Fold It Club for the first time today as well. So make sure you go check out that video as well. But let's jump in right now and look at our stamp and die hard club member. First, ready? Dun, 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 dun. The club set is called Woodland2stamp, and it has a cute little fox, a cute little skunk, and a little bear, and this adorable little tree stump, so they can sit on the tree stump. Now, some of the words are really fun. You're a forever friend. I'm stumped without you. That stinks. Hi there. Hey, Foxy. I can't bear to be without you. Magnificent. Get it? Because of the skunk. Sometimes life just stinks. Now, I have some amazing samples to share with you with a couple sneak peeks, so hang on just a second. Now, there is a special surprise for our Die Hard Club members. Yay! You are getting a freebie this month. Can't wait to tell you what it is, but I can't because you got to wait till you get your envelope. Also, of course, you know our clubs get a handy dandy postcard that shows some ideas. Lots more ideas on our website, don't forget. Now, Die Hard Club members are getting the same stamps and the dies that match. So a lot of us don't like to do that fussy cutting, which I call fuzzy cutting because it never looks that great. So now, of course, we have the dies that match. And the nice thing about our dies is we give you the shadow die and the inside die. So if you don't want shadows, you can die cut using the inside die. If you do like shadows, you can use the shadow die. It's so awesome. Are you ready for me to jump into the samples? Because they are absolutely amazing and so adorable. So here's a cute one, and you are gonna see some sneak peeks, so stay tuned for those. So here's a cute one. You're a forever friend. Love it. Isn't that adorable? Using our mini Slimline. Here's a cute one. You're sending you a bear hug. Quick and simple, right? Here's one that's similar but totally different, using a different animal. You're a forever friend. I love it. Now here's a cute one. Sit a bit. Look at how cute those little guys are sitting there with our fun little flowers on the side. I love it. Now here's a cute one. Oh, I'm seeing lots of sneaks on this one. I hope you like that moose. Sneaking by to say hi. You know why it says sneaking? Because foxes are always a little sneaky, right? So that's really cute. Here's a fun one from the gang. So if you ever need to send a card to someone that's from a whole bunch of different people, from the gang. Perfect, right? Oh my goodness gracious. Are you ready for this one? I absolutely love this. I love the netting background. You got to check out the next video. Bear with me with the cute little bear in our fun little pocket. I absolutely love that. Here's a cute one. Hey, Foxy. Look at how adorable that is. Open it up. You're a forever friend. I love that. Here's a cute one. Look at this one. Sometimes life just stinks. Now, are you ready for some fancier ones? Look at this. Here is a box card one. Whoa! You can call me Flower. Look at how cute that is with our box card or Slimline box card. And even the back is decorated. I absolutely love it. So cute. And our little, it looks like our little reindeer. It looks like Bambi. Isn't it perfect with little Flower? Now, here are some fun ones using another brand new item. Look at this Fold It card. I absolutely love it. I'm stumped without you. Here we have another one. Happy fall, y'all, from the gang. So cute. Look at those trees. Aren't they gorgeous? Here's another one. You're so amusing. I like amusing. Isn't that cute? I love it. Now, last but not least, look at this fun Slimline tree with all those sprigs. I absolutely love it. The pine cones to stamp added those fun little sprigs on there, and all those little guys are hiding in that tree. Now, club members, your stamps and dies, if you're in the Die Hard Club, are on their way to you right now. Ken gets up extra early, and he gets those in the mail, so they are ready to go in the mail on the 1st of the month, which is really exciting, right? Now, if you're not a club member, I don't know what to tell you. You can be in the club for as little as $13.99 a month. That includes the brand new stamp set each month And you get a 15% discount on our website. You get to earn club points on every purchase. You get flash sales and then the double discount because you get that 15% off as well. It is so amazingly awesome. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate just as a thank you gift. Isn't that amazing? Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click join the club and check out all the club options we have. And don't forget, we have that new Fold It Club that everyone is excited about, so go check that out as well. If I went too fast on any of these samples, never fear. You know what? They're all on our online gallery on our website. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.